Howdy everyone, we're at Broadstone Sora today. Broadstone Sora, this is Grant with Uptown 101. Hey, we're walking in, this is a quick walk-in into a really cool floor plan. This is an amazing floor plan. This is a 2-bedroom. Look at this beautiful floor plan. This is gorgeous. So this is the highest level. There's certain levels, actually 3 levels of finish out, and this is the highest level. And isn't it gorgeous? Wow, just stunning. We're going to explore this in detail, but I wanted to walk through just so you can see it. You can see it's actually a 2-bedroom with a den. So the den is over here, and that does close off. So, hey, guest suite. So you can have guests over there too, but you can, when they're not there, of course, you can make it into the office. But this is what it looks like. Isn't this gorgeous? Hey, if you want to get more information about this and about the different finish outs and pricing and everything, there's no faster way than to just send me a text. I can help you. They love working. The Broadstone Sora loves working with me in particular, and I love helping them. So send me a text. I'll get you the information you need with our 100% free service. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough, but now if you've liked it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a detailed walkthrough, probably a couple of videos so you can see it in more detail. So hang loose. Those are going to play right after this.